everyone, welcome to the family room. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a toddler learning folder at home. It's extremely easy to make. I made this without a laminating machine. I did look up a lot of resources online and I also made some on my own, which I'm going to link in the description below. But before we start with the toddler learning folder, let's look at how my son enjoys playing with it. What is your name?
Everything on black.
How old are you, Avir?
Was on the M.
Yes. Can you please M?
Killed.
Yes. N.
Oh.
P. Q.
Wizard. Q.
S.
P. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Friday.
Thursday.
Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Monday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
And today is? Today is?
Saturday.
Avir, which is the closest planet to the sun?
Mercury.
Okay. And which is the biggest planet, Avir?
Jupiter.
Very nice. And on which planet do we live?
This
And what's the name of the planet?
and the
In which continent is India in?
yes.
Asia.
It's here.
In which continent is Germany?
Yellow.
The Cat and the Fiddle.
The go jump over the moon. The dog loves to say some fun. And this is another.
This is a toddler learning folder and it is ideal for children in the age group of 2 to 5. And there are many activities that a child can do and it's extremely convenient to make at home. I'm going to also link all the downloadables in the description. So feel free to make this at home. So let's start. The first page is an all about me page. Next is the ABCs, the alphabet. So I have the big alphabet that's been printed and I have stuck Velcro on the sides because the following page is the alphabet order. So here what he can do is that you can remove the letters and match the capital letters with the letter sounds A, B and so on. And coming to the next page, this is the alphabet order page. So here you can check how much of the alphabet your child recalls. So what you can do is just pull out a few letters and let your child fill in the missing letter. The next page are numbers. So if your child has learnt numbers 1 to 10 or numbers 1 to 20. And then comes the number order page. So here again you can remove these numbers that have been stuck with some self-adhesive Velcro and ask your child to match the numbers here. And what you can also do with this number order page is, again, do some missing numbers. Moving on, since we know that counting, it becomes a big problem for many children, so the next is again a page that focuses on numbers. So on this page, your child has to count and match the cookies with the number. On this page, you can have your child count the watermelon seeds and match it to the corresponding number. The one thing I wanted to focus on was the days of the week, and I have printed them out in color. What your child can do is just match, even if it's with color, because they're too young to read. And then on this side of the page, we have today is, yesterday was, and tomorrow will be. So it teaches your child about time, about today, yesterday, and tomorrow, so they're able to better place things. Months of the year. So it's January, February, March, so on and so forth. And the concept is the same, to match with color. So you can make lots of associations. For example, here it snows in December, so you can associate it with snow or with Christmas or with a birthday or with the rain, etc. This page is the seasons page, and here you have spring, summer, autumn and winter. So here you have many things that you can associate with the particular season. For example, in spring you have the rainbow, you have lots of flowers blooming, lots of birds and insects and bees that are visible in spring. And then in summer you have the sun shining bright, you can play outdoors, you need sunglasses, and of course you can associate with watermelon and some ice cream. This page focuses on sorting according to size. Sorting is a very important pre-math skill. It's basically different detachable cards which the child has to sort according to small or big. This is a page that focuses on patterns. So you have the AB pattern. So you have the triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What comes next? Is it the triangle or the circle? It's a great thing. It's a pre-math skill. It's really helpful, and you can use this particular sheet to help identify patterns. The next page is prepositions. So it's about on, in front of, behind, basic concepts that you can teach your child. I've used the help of a house and a dog. So the dog is on the house, the dog is in the house, the dog is under the hat. And you can make it a fun activity as well. You can just have a cardboard box by the side and take a stuffed toy and just put the toy in and ask your child where the dog is. This is a food group sorting page. So this will help your child to understand and to differentiate between different groups of foods, from vegetables to fruits to dairy. Next is the solar system. It's the sun and the placement of the different planets. These are again stick-on, and it's great to teach. It's a great activity to do. We're also doing a lot with maps, so we thought it would be nice to also include the page where you can have or you can see the different continents. Again, this is something that they can identify. It's about matching with shapes. And with this we also have a few maps that we have, and these maps you can go according to different continents. Yeah, so Europe, and you can just, and we also have the name of the country that the map is from, so that we don't get lost because there are so many. And your child will definitely be very comfortable with matching shapes or matching objects to objects. So this is a page where you match with shadows. So this is the animal, it's a dog, and you match it with the shadow. So it's the same with everything. And there are different scenarios. This is a pet shop, this is a farm. So you can use this as an opportunity to teach your child about pet animals, about farm animals, about forest animals, and about wild animals. So the next page focuses on sequencing of rhymes. So these are some of the favorite rhymes for children, like Itsy Bitsy Spider, Hey Diddle Diddle, Baba Black Sheep, and Humpty Dumpty. So it's basically about sequencing. And as you read, Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? So it has, your child has to place it in order. So first you ask the sheep if they have wool, and the sheep replies saying, yes sir, 3 bags full. And also it's very easy to make, and if you want to see how I made this without a laminating machine, then continue to watch the video. To make the toddler learning folder, you need a ring folder, self-adhesive Velcro dots, laminating sheets, and printouts of all the activities. You can download the ones in this folder by clicking on the download link in the description box. Start by preparing the pages by placing them in the laminating sheet. Once all sheets are ready, head to the ironing board. Set your iron box to the cotton setting and let it heat. Now place the sheet to be laminated on a hard surface and cover it with an old cotton cloth like a pillow cover or kitchen cloth. It's best to use a hard surface because it helps in getting a neat finish. Otherwise, you might get results like this. When ironing, I would recommend to divide each sheet into 4 areas and focus on one part before proceeding to the next, so that no air bubbles form. Now you also need to be careful. Firstly, don't use the steam function. Secondly, if you overdo the ironing, then your sheet will look a little crumbled, so keep lifting the cloth to check. And as you keep laminating these sheets, you will become a pro and create a pattern of your own. For example, I ironed 5 times over each section, and then at the end I ran the iron over the whole sheet thrice. For small pieces, first cut, laminate, and then cut again, because you want the laminate to seal around the edges of the cards. Also make sure to blunt the edges in order for them to be safe to use. For the next step, stick the self-adhesive Velcro loop and tape. And then just punch and file the sheets. And the toddler learning folder is ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.